Hi guys, it's Lisa from Lisa's Crochet. Today's Friday, March 12th, 2021. I'm just hopping on here quick because Gidget and I have something to tell you guys. Last night I was in Keri, the Yarny Elephant's live, and one of her hashtag Ourgiftsoflove live videos. Her draw, guys, is I believe ending on this Tuesday coming up, Tuesday, March 16th. And I said I'm making a donation. I am donating this to the fundraiser list of prizes. I believe Keri has 35 or so prizes to be won in her hashtag Gifts of Love fundraiser. And yeah, so I made this with my own two little hands. And this is the Lacy Charma Crochet Neck Warmer. What do you think, guys? So, now I do have to mention that, okay, here's the yarn I used. I used Classic Shades yarn. And well, a little bit more about this yarn. This was actually gifted to me, I believe, by Gary at Urban Yarns when I won one of his giveaways a while back. Excuse me, goodness. So this is the gift that keeps on giving. So Gary gifted it to me, and I am gifting it back to one of you lucky participants. So what you have to do is, I will put everything in the description box. Go to Keri the Yarny Elephant's YouTube channel. And yeah, one ticket for $5. And 5 tickets for $20. USA, guys. And I believe the money is being sent through Mama Swift, Trisha's PayPal account. So all the information you can get from Keri, you can, and I believe Keri does have her email address underneath her videos. So email Keri to find out more information. I'm getting on here quickly, like I said, because her draw, I believe, is happening this Tuesday, March 16th. Lots of prizes to be won to help our Sharon from Sharon's Crochet Corner to help pay for her wheelchair. Okay, oh yeah, I was going to tell you a little bit more about this yarn. Beautiful. The color is Sapphire. It is, just to be aware, it is 70% acrylic and 30% wool. So just keep that in mind, but it's gorgeous. It's beautiful. Hello. Stunning. Seriously stunning, guys. I love it. I made one of these and I'm addicted to making these. I will do another video talking about the ones I've made. Maybe I'll put it on. Sorry, guys. It will be pre-tried on. So how do I look? Is it fixed? What am I doing? Is that up? There, guys. What do you think? Keeps your neck warm. Ooh, today's a chilly day too. I will be wearing this, guys. No. This is for a winner. So I will get that in the mail once Keri picks the winners. So stay tuned for her videos where she will be announcing all her winners. And yeah, I think it's stunning. Gidget loves it. Gidget looks good in it, doesn't she? So there you go. There's my story. And good luck, everybody. And yeah, head on over to Keri's. Find out more details. Like I said, this one closes Tuesday, March 16th. So today's the 12th, 13, 14, 15, 16. It closes on the 16th. So you got like basically 3 days. Get your butts over there. Buy a ticket or 5 or more. Lots of prizes happening, guys. Okay, I think that's it. That's all. So yeah, thanks Keri for gifting me this yarn, and I'm gifting it on. That's beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, stay well everybody. Bye.